everyone, we are going to solve this puzzle. If 1 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 13, 3 plus 4 is 19, then 4 plus 5 is what? So let's solve this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So we are going to find the logic. If you have different logic, please comment down below. So 1 plus 2 is 7. How? When we multiply by 5 with 1 and then add the next digit, that is 2. So 1 plus 5 is, 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 2 multiply with 5 and then add the next digit, that is 3. 2 multiply 5 is 10. Then add 3 is 13. So what's the logic? Multiply first term with 5 and then add the next term. So 3 multiply 5 plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. Now 4 plus 5 is 4 times 5 plus 5. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 5 is 25. So what replace the question mark? 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.